This vehicle is an example of the whole often being more than the sum of its parts. The gasoline technology car from Continental and Schaeffler is loaded with a multitude of innovations. Each one of these on its own increases efficiency and performance considerably, but in the end it is the interaction between the individual components that reduces CO2 emissions by around 17%.
We have selected a Ford Focus with a highly efficient and downsized turbocharged engine with 3 cylinders that has a CO2 emission of 114 grams already.
What we achieved together in the GTC is to improve this performance. We reached 95 grams CO2 emission and are fit for the future.
The 48-volt eco-drive system from Continental accounts for the majority of these fuel savings. This groundbreaking technology, based on a 48-volt onboard power supply, transforms the vehicle into a hybrid without it having to be modified extensively beforehand. The driving mode here is called coasting and is even possible at higher speeds.
If you are on a motorway, you can release the gas pedal and then the engine is switched off and you're going into a coasting mode.
Thanks to the 48-volt eco-drive system, fuel consumption is reduced to 0.
If you press the gas pedal again, the engine is switched on and the clutch is closed again and you can accelerate nearly immediately.
A precondition for the coasting phase is the new electric clutch from Schaeffler.
As soon as the driver's foot leaves the gas pedal, the clutch disengages the engine from the drivetrain. Up to now, only automatic gearboxes could do so.
The optimized fuel injection technology and engine control unit from Continental ensure that the combustion engine runs evenly at a low speed and is fuel efficient. When accelerating, the Continental electric motor engages and assists.
The powerful electric machine can boost the combustion engine. That means it can add additional torque in low engine speeds and fill the turbo lag. That gives you an enhanced acceleration and good performance.
Hybrid functions such as coasting and recuperation primarily save a great deal of fuel, much more than with conventional systems. This is supported by innovative thermal management from Schaeffler.
By heating up quickly, the friction losses decrease. It also becomes easier to keep the engine warm during recuperation phases.
The overall effect of all these technologies has an enormous impact on fuel consumption and CO2 emissions.
To reduce the CO2 emissions from 114 gram down to 95 gram means that you reduce the fuel consumption from nearly 5 liters down to 4 liters.
The result is an exemplary cooperation between 2 companies.
Within this project, the common competence and the products of Continental and Schaeffler match perfectly.
Our joint work allowed us to achieve the ambitious targets. This was the key to get the 1 + 1 makes 3 effect. The whole system is more than the sum of its parts.